All right, YouTube, welcome back, everyone. If you're new, welcome. Everyone, thanks for staying tuned. Getting close to 20,000 subscribers. So this came primed already, but I ground the areas where I'm going to be welding, and then I drilled holes in it for my spot welds. So I did a little excessive on the inside, but you're not really going to see that tucked up under here anyway. So this is drying, and then I will, and this is drying also, and then I'll clean all the areas that I put primer on so this can cure overnight. And then, like I said, I don't know why there's a cut mark in there. I didn't whizzer right there, so I'm not sure what that's from. Maybe there was some previous body work that I'm not aware of, but it didn't look like it was repaired. Oh, maybe someone, oh, I got it. Someone repaired just this section here. That's what it was. This little piece was repaired before. I can't prove that. Maybe I can. So, yep, there it is. So I guess that's what the guy did for the repair. You can see how it wasn't done right. So that's the repair there. You can see the metal. And that's where that whizzer mark came from. So interesting enough. So this had rot here before and it wasn't done right. And that's where that whizzer mark came from. And then they didn't seal it from the back, and water and moisture kept getting behind there. Plus, who knows if they even did the metal work right before. You can see that the metal obviously wasn't prepped right where they did the work. It just, if I just keep peeling this away, I'm sure they're just gonna be rust. So that's where this piece came from. So someone before repaired that section there. You can see it. And that's where that whizzer mark came through, and there was no sealer behind this here to stop moisture and water from getting in. This is from me, but I will urethane seal all that in when I'm done. I don't know if I'm going to weld that through, but this is drying, and then I'll clean all this off. I'll take you through all the tack welds, and there you go. So I'm guessing that was the drains, right? The OEM drains right there. See it? But someone repaired this before. Look at that.
What's that? You can see where it was cut and then re-welded right there.
No, I'm saying here. See this section, this triangle section? That's where someone repaired this before and they did a shitty job. Probably not realizing how much cancer was behind it. But that's why I cut as far as I did back. You follow me? So I'm wondering if I should just add that drain back in here.
Drill a hole, put some seal.
See, it's just like a whizzer mark. So I'll probably add that drain back, because that's what it looks like in here.
I'll spray all the inside as well. Spray.
Well, I just did all that.
Oh, okay.
So that's just, I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'll come back to it. But now you can see if you just don't do it right the first time, you're only gonna be plagued with problems. But I will cut that drain back in the repair panel here when I'm done with it. And then I'll spray it real heavy up underneath with primer and paint. Woo! I didn't really want to do all this body work, but I mean, I got bigger fish to fry with, rear end and mini tubs and shit. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going home. I gotta clean up first.